I'm happy to hear from the principal in your leadership, sir. You have taken up the mantle to start the NEP in your institution. The more we complain, the further we will be away from joining mainstream education. Yes, we have challenges. Yes, our institutions cannot afford a fourth batch of students. But if you say no to CUET today, you are distancing yourself from joining that mainstream challenge. A lot of our students are doing very well. Dear children, you are our future. I wish you well. I wish to see that from your generation of individuals, there will rise people who can man the Northeastern Hill University yourselves. There will be doctors, specialists, nurses, and other paramedical forces who will man the state ourselves. We need our citizens to aspire to be able to crack the IAS. Those of you who have that in you, work hard. Let's have more indigenous IAS officers. Let us have more experts from amongst ourselves so that we know how to generate policies which will be designed for us and away from the mainstream practice of painting India with one brush. With these few observations, I wish Seng Khasi College the very best. I hope that in coming years, you will grow from strength to strength. I would like to see you start new departments. 8 departments is not sufficient. Go ahead. Let government of Meghalaya be there for you. Barambui, Ïaroh and myself will support you. Gone are the days of traditional education. You have to branch into professional and education which is not mainstream education. But I know one thing, Meghalaya is here to stay. Meghalaya will continue to do well, and we will continue to be there to push the people of our state forward to greater heights. Khub lai, Mithila, Jai Hind.